Hi folks, today I'm going to talk about how to use Microsoft Translator. So first you're going to go to translator.microsoft.com and you're going to enter your name and choose your language and check off that you're using the product in a classroom. Click enter. And so what that does is this starts a chat window. And when you might want to use this is if you have a class of students where there are multiple languages spoken. This can be a helpful way for students to get important information translated into their preferred language. So if you are introducing a new concept and giving kind of a mini lecture, or you're giving a lot of instructions, this can be a really helpful tool to make sure that students have all of the information. So what happens is, as you can see, it's opened up this code and students copy this code in their own browser tab. Once they do that, it automatically enters the conversation code for them and they put in their name and choose their preferred language. There are quite a few options here, not all options, but quite a few to choose from. And then the students just choose their language and click enter. Once the student does that, it's going to translate what you are saying into the student's preferred language. Now the view here is a bit funny because I'm both the student and the teacher. But when your students enter, it's very cool. This is what happens. Now, just to show you just how amazingly cool it is, let's choose a different language this time. And I'm going to go with Spanish. So you can have multiple students logged in at once, and everybody is getting their own live translation in their preferred language. So you can see here, I have this user in Spanish, this user in Arabic. So obviously there are some limitations in using this program. Is it completely accurate all the time? Probably not, but I have heard from students that it is fairly accurate and it can be a helpful tool. The other limitation is it does expect that students are literate in their first language. So unfortunately, if students aren't literate in their first language, it's not a tool that can help those students at this time.